If you're new here, welcome back. If you've been here before, what's up? My name is Bria, and today I have a really exciting video for you guys. So as promised, I will be filming my empty, not completely empty, but unfurnished apartment tour today and revealing which apartment it was that I chose. So without further ado, I'm gonna take you guys on the tour of my apartment, and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go on the tour. Okay, so first, this is my entryway, and it's not huge, but it is nice to have a little bit of space here before you actually come into a room, into the apartment, so that you're not actually like stepping directly from the door into a room. So I have a little entryway here, and I love that everything is black hardware and like white, so my walls are like true white and not like off-white or cream or anything. I absolutely love that. And then if you go and stand from my door's point of view, you'll see to the left we have a doorway which leads to some other rooms over there, and then in front of us we have the kitchen. So I'm gonna go to the left first. First thing I want to point out is that these doors do slide out of the wall, which is actually really nice. It saves a lot of space, and yeah, so they just go like that. So if you don't see a door anywhere, it's probably because it's like in the wall. So I wanted to point that out first. I do have doors. And then, so over here, the first thing that's over here is this closet. This is really messy, actually. This is just my extra closet where I keep extra cleaning supplies. I have garbage bags, Swiffer pads, coats will be in here once it gets a little colder outside. This is just a cleaning closet, basically, and then a coat closet also. And then to the right of that, you'll see my bathroom. In here, I just have like my standard toilet, obviously. We have charcoal tiling on the walls, and then this really nice stand-in shower. And the doors slide as well. So that is that. And then we have a rack over here for towels. And then I also have a towel hook over here, which I like to keep my bake towel on. When we leave the bathroom, we see the sink, which is over here. There's plenty of space underneath the counter for everything that I need, which is nice. Everything fits down there, and then I like to keep my skincare up here so it's accessible. And then my bedroom is next, so we go through here. This is the one place where there maybe should be a door, that there's not a door. Anywho, this is my bedroom, which is the next area that we're gonna go into. And this is what my bed's looking like right now. My actual bed frame is not here, hence unfurnished apartment tour. This is just what my bedroom looks like. And I have a little hamper over here. And my closet, we can go into actually. It's pretty neat right now. It's decent. This is what my closet is looking like, if you were wondering. So all of this stuff that you see up here that's kind of making my closet look a little messy and cluttered, and like these and everything, will actually be in the drawers in my bed when that comes in. So ignore that, but for now, this is what we are looking like. And then we are going to head out to my living area, but before I do that, I'm going to put the blinds down, like I said, so that we are not looking at everything outside of my window. So just so you can get an idea of the space with the windows open and natural lighting, I'm gonna just pan around for you guys. So this is the far wall. For reference, my bedroom is here. That's my bedroom doorway. But yeah, this is the far wall, and yeah, it just looks like this. And then I'm gonna go to the other side and show you guys from the other side. This is what we're looking like in here, and then I'll go over a little bit so you guys can kind of see how large the windows are, because from this angle you can't really tell where I live, so that's perfectly fine. But I have two windows that are exactly this size. The other one is right here. So that is my living area, and then we'll go into the kitchen next. So this is what my kitchen is looking like. I love the two-tone cabinets. I think it gives dimension to the room. And I love this like shelf up here. I think it's gonna be really nice to like decorate and put like really beautiful dishes on and stuff like that. This is not the permanent resting space for these dishes. I just put those there temporarily so something is there. I have a dishwasher here, and then we have drawers over here, which is really nice. My microwave is actually underneath the range, and I don't have an oven. For those of you who are going to pick up on that, I like to do my baking and air frying and toasting, and all of that happens in here, which this is like the best purchase I've made since I moved in. We can talk about this at a different time, but that I 100% recommend. And then of course we have the refrigerator, and there's like wine racks up here, which is super nice, and all of that. So yeah, that's basically my kitchen area. My countertops are quartz. Last but not least, I absolutely love, love, love my flooring. I think they're so beautiful. That is my apartment. So now I can finally reveal that yes, I chose apartment number 2. So if you guessed number 2, you were correct. I think only one person guessed apartment number 2, but I absolutely, absolutely love this apartment. I'm obsessed with my building and everything. There are so many great amenities here, and it's just fantastic. I cannot express how like happy I am that I picked this building and location that I'm in and everything like that. It's just really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stick around for apartment decor vlogs and decor hauls and things like that when my couch comes in. So excited for that, can't wait. It doesn't come until October. Don't get too excited because it's gonna be a while, but when it comes, that's gonna be really exciting, and you're just gonna get to see the progress of my apartment. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys next time.